Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send snaps on Snapchat without the media upload. Normally if you go and open snaps, I'm just going to record a small video, an example of my keyboard, and normally you can go and click on plus, click on import media or media upload, and import an example of your media to send it as a snap. Then you'll have to click here, delete it, and you'll have this to send it as a snap. If you don't want to use the media upload, you can go, an example, to memories on the left right here, click on camera roll, make sure to give it access if it's your first time, and from here you'll be able to send snaps without the media upload because you already have it here. So go and look for whatever snap you want. Is it a video, is it a picture and stuff like that. Just go and click on it and click on send to, and you'll be able to send it to whoever you want. For example, I'm just going to send it to Snap or Team Snapchats, my story as example. Click on send and I should be good to go. So as you can see, I should find it like it's sent to Team Snapchats and stuff like that. So that's how I basically send snaps, or you send snaps without the media upload. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.